I just come back to my old university, and this is what I found. Because over there and here they are working, so they have no care for the nests. I think the nest was over there. There is another nest of pigeon over there. You can see them. And there was animal protection here some years ago because pigeons were trapped here with no escape. And now we are so tired because nobody cares, and other nests now are falling because of the workers. And right now I'd like to ask you to alert animal protection if you see something similar in your school or university, because I am alone and everyone seems to be afraid of pigeons or other birds. And if everyone will alert animal protection in similar cases, together we are stronger and we can save more birds like this.